Take the hand of Rosa Parks when she was sitting for your rights. It's time for you to stand, so Kamala can run for president. Rosa sat so you could stand, so Kamala could run. Now it's time to do your part. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Did you stand by, not raise your voice while the justice grew? Did you make that choice? You know what time it is, you know what to do. It's time to rise up, time to get into good trouble. You weren't there when John crossed the bridge, beaten down but never broken. They bled and fought for the rights you enjoy. Now it's your turn, stand up, don't be a tool. They face dogs, clubs, and hate, so you could vote and shape your fate. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Would you take the blows from police at night for justice, for what's right? They lay down their lives so you could rise. It's your time to stand, don't compromise. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Look around at the world today, school children dying, kid carrying an AK. Hearts and prayers don't fix, the government sits bought by the rich. While our youth can't afford a future, Clarence sits on his yacht eating caviar, judging your body from afar. Hypocrisy reigns, its truth is sold. Will you stand up or let your rights be controlled? You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Immigrants built this land of the free, now turned away. Can't you see, Lady Liberty cries, bring me your tire, your poor. Yet we build walls, closing the door. This is the land of the brave and strong, but our leaders have led us so wrong. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Corporations break the laws that privilege them, not us, not the USA. Social media drains our brains, uses us as copper-top batteries to fuel their money-making schemes. Our outrage feeds their engagement, equals profit. As news becomes propaganda, the truth gets lost. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Education is another brick in the wall. It's the foundation of knowledge to rise and stand tall. We're not factory workers for tomorrow, we're thinkers, leaders with a plan. Don't sit, don't bow, stand up, take a stand. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Did you stand by, not raise your voice while injustice grew? Did you make that choice? You know what time it is, you know what to do. It's time to rise up, time to get into good trouble. Join us in singing our freedom song, a nation united, we're all being. Look around at the world today. School children dying, kid carrying an AK. Hearts and prayers don't fix, the government sits bought by the rich. While our youth can't afford a future, Clarence sits on his yacht eating caviar, judging your body from afar. Hypocrisy reigns, as truth is sold, Will you stand up or let your rights be controlled? You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. Immigrants built this land of the free, now turned away, can't you see? Lady Liberty cries, bring me your tired, your poor. Yet we build walls, closing the door. This is the land of the brave and strong, but our leaders have led us so wrong. You know what time it is, time to get into good trouble. College should be free like in other lands. Healthcare a right, not a corporate demand. Guns should be banned like in civil societies, so our children don't die in schools from illegalities. LGBTQ children need our love and support, not to face a world that treats them with scorn. Love is love in any form it takes. Let's stand united for equality's sake. We owe our culture, our food, our very land to the immigrants who shaped it with their hands. Let's extend the table, welcome them in. With Lady Liberty's promise, let the feast begin. We are our brothers, our sisters' keeper. It's our duty to lift up those who are weaker. This year let's give Thanksgiving after we vote for a country united, a more perfect note. Rosa sat so you could stand. so Kamala can run for president. You know what time it is, time to get into trouble. Let's tear down walls, not just of brick and stone, but of hatred, division, and hearts left alone. From Berlin to our borders, let freedom ring. In a country united, let all voices sing. My speech should be free, our press a safeguard against power's abuse and truth left charred. Yet we see it twisted, turned into tools for those in power, treating us like fools. Education's not just another brick in the wall, it's the foundation of knowledge standing tall. We're thinkers, creators, the future's bright, but only if we stand and fight. The promises made in blood and in tears, from the battlefields of war to the marchers' fears. We've come so far, yet so far to go. It's time to rise up, let's make it so. In the words of my Angela, let the cage bird sing. Our freedom should ring from shore to shore, from the valley to the mountain top. We're modern soft, the promised land, we're on.